Jubilarian is Attorney Lali C. Ortilia Malyari.
Abogada din.
Attorney Lali is a highly experienced legal professional with over 2 decades of expertise in corporate infrastructure, regulatory, and litigation work. She's currently the Assistant General Counsel at the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, a role she has held since 2019. Her career spans several prestigious institutions, including Okada Manila, where she served as legal counsel, data privacy officer, and treasury manager, and Cemex, where she worked as legal manager. Attorney Lali has also held key legal roles at San Miguel Corporation, the Department of Justice, and the Asian Development Bank. She began her career at Villarasa and Anamco law offices, rising from junior to senior associate, and also served as a legislative officer under the late Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. She earned her Juris Doctor degree from Ateneo de Manila University, graduating in the top 10% of her class, and holds a cum laude bachelor's degree in political science from UP Diliman. Her legal expertise spans infrastructure, corporate law, compliance, and data privacy, with a strong foundation in both public service and private sector leadership. Attorney Lali continues to contribute meaningfully to the Philippine legal and corporate landscape. Our next jubilarian is Attorney Lucille Karen E. Malilong Isberto. Attorney Lucille is an accomplished lawyer and academic specializing in environmental, cultural heritage, and administrative law. A graduate of the University of the Philippines, she holds a magna cum laude degree in economics and a Bachelor of Laws from the same university, making the Dean's List. Admitted to the bar in 2000, her extensive career spans government, private practice, academia, and advocacy. She currently serves as a visiting professor at Silliman University College of Law and leads Malilong Isberto Law Offices. Her legal practice has involved advising agencies like the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, the Department of Budget and Management, and National Commission for Culture and the Arts on policy, environmental law, and cultural heritage matters. She was Executive Director and Chairperson of the Nayon Filipino Foundation and previously led anti-corruption initiatives at the Ateneo School of Government. Attorney Lucille has served in various consultancy roles related to indigenous people's rights, environmental protection, cultural mapping, and intellectual property. Earlier in her career, she worked with top law firms, handling litigation, corporate law, and trademark issues. Her work reflects a commitment to public service, heritage conservation, and institutional reform in both environmental and cultural governance. I call on our next Pearl Jubilarian, Attorney Maria Gina B. Ginto Abdil.
Another attorney.
Attorney Gina is a seasoned maritime lawyer with nearly 2 decades of expertise in handling complex maritime cases, including high-profile casualties, labor disputes, cargo claims, and marine inquiries. A partner at Del Rosario and Del Rosario Law Offices since 2021, she has steadily risen through the ranks since joining in 2006, beginning as a junior associate and later becoming